Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the boAt Stone 170 Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we're going to show you how to connect the speaker to your smartphone. So let's set the box aside and bring our smartphone in. There you go. So the first thing you need to do is actually press and hold this power button for about 3 to 4 seconds.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
So as you can see, it says...
Your device is ready to pair.
So as you can see, it actually says that we have powered on the device and it is ready to pair as well. So what you need to do now is go into your phone. We're going to unlock our phone and you actually go into the Bluetooth settings of your phone and look for the boAt Stone 170 speaker. So there you go, you see that it's right there in the available device list. So we're just going to click on it. And it should be pairing any moment now. So there you go, the pairing prompt has now appeared and it says pair with the boAt Stone 170. We're going to accept that by clicking pair.
You're now connected to boAt Stone 170.
And then as you can see, we have actually connected to the speaker and it actually tells you that in a very audible manner. So you can see right here we've connected to the speaker and it has about 70% of battery and it's on the SBC codec. Now to turn it off, you simply have to press and hold the power off button yet again, and it will say that and turn off and it will be disconnected as well. So that's about it for how to pair the boAt Stone 170 Bluetooth speaker to your smartphone. Thank you so much for watching.